Dell Motorized Solutions is excited to introduce Perfect Fit, a concealment system for roller shades and drapery tracks. In the realm of interior design, the smallest details often leave the most significant impact. One such detail is the method of obscuring window treatments. Recessing drapery tracks and shades into the ceiling can transform a space with its aesthetic and practical benefits. By concealing the hardware, you achieve a seamless and polished appearance with a minimalist look, complementing modern interior design styles. Visually, the impact of recessed window treatments provides the illusion of increased height. Curtains and shades appear to flow seamlessly from ceiling to floor, enhancing the space and making the ceilings appear taller. Dell Motorized Solutions' Perfect Fit series of mud-in roller shade pockets, mud-in flap and hangers, and mud-in drapery track cavities will satisfy the demands of the most discerning homeowner, designer, architect, and builder.